I was very new to HMV. I just joined the first year. And that's where we chanced upon this pirated copy of this one single track from a devotional album called Hey Ram, which was looped, very badly, shoddily looped. It was selling millions or lakhs of tapes. That's where we got an idea. Why don't we do a good job of editing it, properly looping it, musically making it correct, and releasing it as a single album, like a dhun, which is played in the background in many households. Yes, we had to take Jagjitji's permission for every compilation that we would come up with of his ghazal album. And he would give his value addition, his points as to what should be the track selection, what should be the mood, flow and stuff. But here I had a feeling that if I were to show it to him, he would not allow me to release this commercially. So I was in a kind of a duvidha, what to do. And whomever I sampled that album, they said it is a winner. So I just told my boss, look, I'm going ahead and releasing it. Whatever happens, please cover me and take care of mine. If there are any issues. He says, do whatever you want. No worries, do it, release it. So we released it. We released it with some 10,000 cassettes only. Within 10 days, there was a repeat of 50,000 cassettes, and then it went on. The repeat orders came back in geometrical proportions. Seriously,
2 lakhs, 6 lakhs, and so on.
It had the whole factory, HMV factory in Calcutta, in a tizzy. And then Jagjitji got to know about it. And he called me. And it was, he called me, he traced me on the landline. He says, just what do you think? What the hell do you think of yourself? And it was 1 year after the album got released. Somehow he kind of, I don't know, he didn't realize or what. So he told me, why have you done what have you done? So मैंने क्या किया?
I'll just interrupt there and quote you. मैं खंडाला में अपने घर से निकल रहा हूँ तो धोबी बताता है कि सर आपने नया जो रिलीज किया है हे राम. जगदीदी बोलते हैं कि मैंने कब रिलीज किया? He's doing some concert in Calcutta and there's a फरमाइश coming up. Hey Ram, hey Ram, hey Ram. He said, what is this?
मैंने कब किया ये? Then he saw and he says, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? You're not even taking my permission. मुझे पूछ लिया होता. I said, I'm sorry sir, लेकिन there were a lot of pressures and I made up some story and he says, no, you're going to pay for this. I'm going to see that you lose your job. So I went to my boss and I said, well, the time has come. Now please take care of my interests. So he simmered down. तो मुझे पूछ लिया होता, मैं बैठता स्टूडियो में. I said, sir, thank you very much. I've got some 2-3 concepts from our previous archive. हम सब करेंगे. You will not touch it. I will do it for you. You will not touch it. So all's well that ends well, and I'm proud. I'm blessed that I was associated with this great man. I had the opportunity, and having worked closely with him, I've experienced his anger, his ire, and as Rana Saab said, you really felt that he loves you. Trust me. You felt that he loves you on a one-to-one basis. Thanks a lot. Thank you.